Good morning, it is a very sunny day today. Again, kettle's boiled because we haven't got a steriliser. Although, I think we're going to start weaning her off sterilising soon. Are you okay? You have a good sleep? We've already had breakfast today, haven't we? Yep. Sun's shining again. Oh, as I said that, there's a big cloud come over here, but yep, sun is back out. So we are preparing to go to a beach of some sort. I'm not sure what the plan is generally. We're just going to wing it, see what happens. Somebody, I mean, what time is it now? It's almost 11 o'clock. We've been up since about 7. Woke up to a nice Father's Day present and card, didn't I? Yeah, thank you very much. Second Father's Day. So I think we're just going to go out and just wing it and see what happens. It's better that way, I think. You know, if you don't plan stuff. It's like when you go on a night out, if it's over planned, it just turns out crap, doesn't it? If you're just like sitting in a pub one day, oh, shall I go up to town? Yeah, it turns out the best night ever. So I'm basically comparing our holiday to a lad's night out. But no beer for you. Eating lunch inside to keep away from the seagulls and because it started drizzling. We'll protect you from the seagulls, haven't we? Yes. I think it stopped drizzling now though. We are the only ones really wearing shorts and people keep staring at us. But we're on holiday so we don't care. We've been home about 2 hours now, I think, probably an hour and a half, and Jacko's been in the shower or the bath or whatever. He must have been in the bath, can't have been in the shower for that long. Yeah, it looks like the weather's caught up with us. It was quite sunny when we came home actually, but it's raining now. It's still really warm. I've literally just been sat. I mean, I've only just put my t-shirt back on, but I've been sat just in my shorts watching YouTube videos for like an hour whilst the baby slept. Tonight we've booked in at Seafood Cafe, which is the restaurant I told people to go to if you ever come to St Ives. The food is it's just out of this world. It's, if you love seafood, fresh seafood, and you can't get much fresher than this because the sea's right there. And then yeah, the Seafood Cafe. We booked in at 5:30 because of the baby, and we booked on the same day, so I don't think they really had much room for us until it was later on. Oh, I just realised I had the door open. And now the floor's very wet. So we'll see what that's like tonight, and hopefully we'll get a better day's weather tomorrow. But it doesn't matter if it's not. One thing we did get today was the Dead Man's Fingers spiced rum, which is made right here in Cornwall by the same people who own the Rum and Crab Shack, which is one in St Ives. So I got 2, got one for us and one for somebody who reviews food and drink on another channel who lives in Loughborough. You know who you are.
What I had in the middle there.
Okay.
Can you hold on the other side because I need my hand to push it. Violet, what's this? I think I blinked. We might have to do another one. Do you want a copy of this?
Yes, please.
Right, come on then.
Wow. I'm just going for a photo shoot at the moment.
Come on.
I had to have a shower 3 hours before the meal so we can do this photo shoot.
Violet, what's this? Can you say cheese? I think I blinked again. I've got to cut your face out a bit in that one.
Oh, thanks.
Not a lot,
Oh,
it's just a tiny bit. Well, I might have done it worse on that one. Violet looks really shocked.
It's probably best because I don't photo very well.
Look how shocked she looks.
You're looking forward to the seafood cafe?
Yes.
What are you looking forward to most? What are you going to have?
I don't know yet.
What's the best part
It
of
depends
having
if I've got to share it with Violet.
What was the best part of having it last time?
Do you get to pick your own?
Obviously you have to pick your own.
No, you get to pick what fish you want. Oh god, yeah, that one's even worse.
That's fine. That's fine.
Where's she gone? Is it too sunny? Boom!
Okay, Violet. You enjoying the sea? It's right in now, isn't it?
Can you see the baby seagull? The baby seagull?
Hell yeah.
It will work out about the same, and then we get a selection then, don't we?
Yeah.
So do you want to get the sea bass version of the sharer, get whatever side you want. Mardy and damp.
Hey?
You'll get soaked through and be mardy and damp. Come on, put your poncho on, we'll be that family.
Seafood cafe, food was amazing, service not so good.
Real bad.
Hey?
She forgot about us.
She did. After our starters, she forgot about us. It looks like we got the debut waitress, but that's a bit harsh. But we did. It is now raining. It's spitting, shall we say. You're all wrapped up, you're all wrapped up. I'm going to try and make it down here without sliding on my arse.
We're going for pudding now.
What? Pudding? That's true. Very true.
There's nothing worse than dog poo, especially on the pushchair.
You're wrapped up now, you ready for the rain? Get Daddy's poncho on. I'm going to brave it. Somebody's come back for seconds. 2 days on the road. They're nice? We're coming back the next day?
Every day.
Every day.